Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's episode we'll be making a special meal made of a liver, and liver is the main ingredient here. 500 grams liver, and the rest of the ingredients which I have here, I've got some spices, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon paprika. I've got 1 teaspoon garam masala and 1 teaspoon mixed spices, and some 4 beef cubes. I have also blended tomato, some milk, which I'll be using it later, and I've got also some bell peppers. I've got 1 onion, coriander, and some 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic. And I've got also oil, which I'll be using it later to fry. So stay tuned to watch this video till the end. So I'm going to start by removing the liver membrane, the whitish thing, this white thing on top of the liver, and this is how I'm going to remove it. You just pull it nicely like this, and it will come out so well. So this is the membrane. I've already removed it. And this is how the liver should look like after removing the membrane. So I will go ahead and cut my liver into small pieces. On to the next step now, and now here is where the milk comes in. This is a 300 ml milk, or you can do 200 ml depending on the size of your liver. And I'm going to be soaking my liver in the milk. I'm soaking it to remove the blood taste in the liver and to make our liver to be tender and smooth. That's the importance of the milk. As the liver soaks, I'm going to prepare the other ingredients like onion and the bell peppers. So as you watch this video, if you've not subscribed, kindly support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Like my videos, share, comment. Yeah, and to my returning subscribers, I'm so grateful. Thank you for your love and support. I love you so much, my people. So after 15 minutes, I've drained the milk and washed the liver. Now it is ready for frying. I'm going to start by frying the onions. And onto your cooking pot, just add some oil. And I'm going to wait for it until it gets hot. So I'm going to fry my onions until they are golden brown. When frying my onions, I'm not in a hurry. I like my onions when they are golden brown. They give me a very good flavor when they are of that color. I'm also going to add the garlic and ginger. And I'll stir up nicely until and cook and let it cool until they are golden brown. And now that my onions are golden brown, the next thing I'm going to add here now is the liver. And I fry it so well to mix well with the onions. So at this point, I'm going to be adding our salt, just like a quarter teaspoon, and stir this so well. Next, I'm going to add 2 beef cubes. And then now this is the best time to add our spices, and I will add our spices now. And mix everything so well. So that the ingredients will mix up together for good flavor. After mixing the spices with the liver, the next ingredient to add here will be our tomato, blended tomatoes. And now up to this point, I'll just cover the cooking pot, and I will let the liver cook for 10 minutes only. And in 10 minutes our liver will be ready. Just have a look at how it looks, so nice. And I can tell from this point that our liver will be so delicious and yummy. It's now 8 minutes down the line, and this is how our liver looks like. And now at this step I'm going to add our bell peppers, the red and yellow bell pepper. And I'm only going to cook my bell pepper for only 1 to 2 minutes because I like them when they are crunchy. And our meal looks so yummy. Hey, so yummy, so delicious. Wow. I'm salivating right now. So let's cook it for another 2 minutes. So right now the liver is now 10 minutes, and now our liver is well cooked, and I'm going to add in here our last ingredient, which is the coriander. And I will stir it nicely to mix with the liver. One thing about coriander, for me, I just prefer using coriander to just garnish the food. I only cook it for like a minute. And it adds the flavor to the food, a good flavor. And it will garnish the food to look so nice. As our meal here is looking so yummy, so delicious. And this is a good meal for everyone. The kids can take it, the elderly, everyone at your home can be able to take it. Just have a look at the way it is. I just love the fact that I've used the blended tomato instead of tomatoes, because as you can see, the mixture of the liver and the rest of the ingredients, it is so thick and well cooked and looking so yummy and delicious. And another thing, if you don't have you can use tomatoes instead of blended tomatoes. For my case, I don't like the tomato red. That's why I just blend the tomatoes, and they just came out nicely. Everything here looks so good. And just like that, our meal is ready. Just have a look, the way it looks so nice. Wow. Just have a look, a closer look.